Welcome to our Fun Facts Fiesta, where curiosity meets entertainment. I'm delighted to have you join us on this exciting adventure of discovering fascinating and mind-boggling facts.
Honeybees are highly social insects, living in colonies with a queen, worker bees, and drones. Worker bees, all females, take on various roles in the hive, from foraging to caring for the queen and larvae. Honeybees communicate through a dance language known as the waggle dance, conveying information about food sources. Exceptional navigators, honeybees use the sun, landmarks, and the Earth's magnetic field for precise navigation. Bees collect nectar from flowers, transforming it into honey through regurgitation, evaporation, and enzymatic activity. Worker bees have a short lifespan, while queen bees can live for several years. Drones, or males, live only a few weeks. Crucial pollinators, honeybees play a vital role in pollinating fruit and vegetable crops, supporting agriculture and ecosystems. Bees construct honeycomb cells in a hexagonal pattern, known for its efficiency and structural strength. Honeybees have a unique barbed stinger that remains embedded in the skin after a sting, releasing pheromones that signal other bees to attack. Bees regulate hive temperature by fanning their wings to cool it down or clustering together to generate heat in colder conditions.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.